Hello everybody, Chan Shady's here and welcome back to another video, and I did not mean to click on that. But anyway, today, as you guys saw in the last video, we went and picked up this fox body from the previous owner. I know this is a little bit overzealous of me, but I have went ahead and grinded a little bit of money and I fully upgraded the power and everything. It is on a supercharger setup. And now, as of today, we are going to be, we're going to fix the suspension because right now it is absolutely abysmal. And two, I just realized what we're going to do with this thing. We're going to customize it and make it a part of the YouTube sponsorship setup. So as you can see, no, that's not what I was trying to do. We got the El Camino right here with the subscribe to Chain Shadies. We have the trailer, and then now we're going to have the fox body to complete the setup. So let's go ahead and jump into the customized menu and let's start this. First of all, as I did with the Bel Air, the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to wraps and we're going to remove all of this nasty rust and just all this nasty stuff on this thing because it's disgusting. And it looks like it ended up being this really weird shade of green. Okay, there's a little bit of dirt there on the fender. Let's just wash that off. Lastly, wheels. I don't know what kind of wheels were on this thing before, but I'm going to swap them out. Let's make these things bright white, why don't we? Nice shade of white just for now. And then we'll kind of build on top of that and see what we end up doing later. First thing I want to do is that I want to go ahead and make this thing the Shady's color, so the bright blue. Just like that. Now we go to body. And I actually had the idea to turn this thing into a rally car. So that's actually what we're going to do with this. We're going to make this kind of like a rally looking car. So for bumpers, we could keep the stock bumper. Or we could go with one of these other bumpers. I'm going to keep the stock one. Rear bumpers, again, we keep the stock one, or we could put the bars on. I'm gonna go with stock. Next, side steps. I'm actually gonna go with the rock sliders. I think that can kind of work for a rally build. Next, lights on the top. Now, thing is, if we are gonna be making a rally car, then oh wow, this thing could actually work really well as a police car now that I'm looking at it. But no, rally lights on top is just going to be the best. It's going to be the best option for us. Next up, oh, then the window wangs, as Black Panther calls them, the window wangs. You know what? I guess I could run window wangs. I guess I could. Cage. I don't know why the heck it's painted red. I'm going to go ahead and paint that like nice shade of black for right now. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with the roof rack. Fenders. I'm not gonna add any sort of fenders onto this, I don't think. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it. Hood. Ooh, we could bulge it, or we could have the supercharger sticking out the roof, which would actually be functional because we have the supercharger, you know, the actual supercharger, but I'm going to go with the bulge. Next, now this should be the actual rear wing, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay. We could put a big old fat wing on this, but I'm going to go with that. And you know what? I'm going to stick with the stock hood because I feel like it doesn't fit with a rally car, actually. Horns, no. Not going to do windshield protection. Lights on the front, yes, because it's a rally car. Sure, we can do that. Winch on the front for functionality. Repair kit's already in the back. Exhaust. We're going to do the dual tips out the back as usual. And tow mirrors, obviously, no. So that's what we're going to do to this thing body mod wise. Okay. Next up, we got to work out wheels and tires. So first up, we got to work out the right compounded tire, which is actually probably just going to end up being the stock ones. I mean, we can try to see if there's anything in here that could work better, but I don't think there is, unless we maybe get a set of the all-terrains, but I don't feel like spending that kind of money right now. These could work. Don't think I'm going to do the street tires. Yeah, I'm just going to run the stock tires on this if we're doing a rally car. Then wheels. What are we going to do for... Yo, 1552s could work so well, though. Let me see this again. These could work for rallying. These could too, actually. Guess since this is an off-road game, a lot of these wheels are going to work for like an off-road style build. Yo, I'm going with that last set of 1552 since they're so cheap. Why not? These are pretty cheap too, actually. No, I'm going with those 1552s. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay. Next up, gonna give this thing a black hood like we do with almost all our vehicles. Oh, wow, okay. Well, hold up. That's actually a lot simpler than I was expecting it to be. To put a black hood on this car, that was actually a lot simpler. But now I gotta go over here, brands. I'm not gonna do anything crazy in here like I did with the Bel Air. Probably just gonna put like one tire brand sponsor on here. So let's just could put Mickey Thompson tires on here. Yeah, let's just do Mickey Thompson because that's really about the only thing I can see in here. I'm gonna keep it black actually. I'm also gonna run the Flowmaster logo. Wait, there we go. Gonna go ahead and run the Flowmaster logo on the back of here. Is this? Yeah, it's mirroring to the other side. I was just making sure. What is this? BB&T Racing. I could run that, but I don't think I will. What else is on here? Could do NOS. You know what? Yeah, why not? Let's do a NOS logo. Put it on the back of there. And we'll call that good for now. I know we didn't end up putting any like sponsors, like didn't end up sponsoring the actual YouTube channel on there, but it'll be all right. Let's go ahead and pay for that. Now let's go to tuning because If I remember, I specifically tuned the suspension on this thing to be like horrible for when we picked it up from the barn. So let's see. Travel's a 0.10 in the front and yeah, 18,000 in the back. Travel is maxed with, oh God. Oh, right. That's what I did to this thing. Okay. Let's do this again, shall we? Travel 10. Stiffness. Oh, geez. My battery is running low. I need to charge it soon. There you go. Like 18. Let's keep bumping it up so that can have like a good amount of like ground clearance. Yeah, let's do 25 in the front. Then in the 25 in the rear, I mean, then let's do like 23 in the front. I think that ought to be pretty good. Wheel width. Let's bring it down a little bit in the front and then bring it out a little bit in the back. Like that. Radius definitely needs to go down by a little bit. Let's do the top of 0.8. Yeah, I think that's all right. Probably gonna need to raise the ground clearance up a little bit more though. Lastly, wheel size. If this is going to be a rally car, it needs to have some fairly small wheels. So let's say, actually that 1.0 was actually already kind of working. Yeah, let's run that 1.0. Yeah, like that. That's pretty perfect actually. There we go, a Fox body rally car. Actually fairly satisfied with this. Real quick, since it's on a supercharged setup, let's see how much power it's making. 1,160 horsepower and 871 torque. Pretty healthy. Pretty dang healthy if I do say so myself. Yeah. This thing should make a pretty good rally car. Okay. That should be enough. Let's go ahead and put it on the trailer. Jump in the El Camino. Let's go to, you know what? Let's go to custom maps real quick. Let's go to Kentucky Hills Farm and let's go ahead and take it to that same like dirt track area that we did last time. It's been a while since I've taken the YouTube sponsorship setup out, so this will be pretty nice. There we go. In the game, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing in 4-wheel drive. Forgot that this El Camino is still a barn find, so it has power for days, which is a good thing. Very good. Oh, I just realized I went the wrong way, but it'll be fine. We can still get through there by like the field. Just go through the back way. So El Camino's still on off-road tire, so we can handle it. There you go. Ooh. Okay. Thankfully, this bridge is really bumpy, but it's also pretty wide. So okay. Hold up. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. No need to panic. We're good. So this is where we picked up the Bel Air a couple videos ago. And now we're coming back here with the Fox Body Rally Car to see what this thing would do. Oop. Okay, I forgot you couldn't get up that way, so now we gotta go through a field. Oh geez, how am I supposed to get this thing like turned around in here? Actually, I have an idea. There we go. Come on. Now he's gonna give it to me. There we go. Knew that would work. Okay, now we gotta make this turn. Or we could do that same glitch again, but I don't really want to do that. Oh no. Oh wow, okay. El Camino has a lot sharper of a turning radius than I remember it having. Like a lot sharper. Now let's go up. Turn into here. Ow. I don't know why that little bit of fence is sticking out. But to be fair, I probably shouldn't be driving that close to the fence anyway. There we go. We made it. So now let's go ahead and park up like close to the fence this time. Go up here. Attach the trailer. We'll swap into the Fox Body. As you remember, I had to learn the hard way last time that the track goes this way around. So 3, 2, 1, go. Ow. Should have put an e-brake on this thing like I did with the Maverick. Maybe that would have helped. Oh. Wow, and that's in 4-wheel drive. I may have to put this thing in front-wheel drive. What I may need to do is that I may need to get this thing like stiffer suspension and then bring the travel like way down. Maybe what I have to do. Bring the travel. Oh, okay. Or no, now that I think about it, the travel's already like as low as it can go, basically. So I think I maybe need to put the suspension like all the way to like 50 grams stiffness or something like that, and we'll just do that. There you go. Come on. Oh my god. I might as well be driving this thing in the rear wheel drive. They keep spinning out like that. Oh wow, okay. Okay, no, when this thing loses the back end in rear wheel drive, it really loses the back end. Jesus. Oh, I'm gonna run it in front wheel drive to see if that helps. I know front wheel drive probably isn't going to want to turn very well, but as long as it still somewhat turns, I'll take it over spinning out an all-wheel drive. Come on. There we go. The front-wheel drive actually kind of works better than I expected it to. Oh, oh, ow, ow, ow. Okay. Okay, come on now. Nope, probably damaged this thing a little bit too much, so I'm going to go ahead and call that my cue to end the video, since it's probably a pretty lengthy one already. But, geez, how did my trailer get so out of whack? I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. Anyway, gonna go ahead and load the Fox body back up. Get on here, attach the load, and I'm probably just gonna go ahead and head back to the house for the night. You know, I don't spend the night in the camper unless maybe it's like there's some sort of race weekend going on or something and I want to bring one of the cars, but that's really about it. But yeah, that's pretty good performance so far already from the Fox Body Mustang. So far, from what I'm seeing, at least, it already does a pretty good job.